Hi guys, Carolina Kev. We're finally get started on the Chevy. I know we did a walk around video, and like I said, I was tied up in another project, but it's completed enough for now. So we're gonna start. We're gonna start in the trunk. We're gonna clean everything out, lay it out on the floor, see what we got, pack it away in a safe place, and then we're just gonna work our way around. We're gonna start cleaning out the interior, and then we're gonna start stripping the interior, taking out the seats, the molding, door panels, trim, and we'll go from there. So let's see what we got in here. We got the original gas tank. Oh. Still in really great shape, so I'll probably scent it out, have it boiled out, tested, put a new sending unit in it for the gas tank. We got what else we got going on in here? That one's broken. That's not good. All right. Got 3 of the taillights. I gotta climb up in here, get the rest of the stuff. Hopefully it don't fall through. Got all the taillights. I'm gonna save that. Spare tire mount. Let's take these taillights out of here first. Oh. I have a milk crate. Milk crates are always good. Storage. These are the, this one got broken, but I have new ones of these, but these are the factory original taillights. Put all the stuff in the crate. Rear license plate mount, access to the gas tank, wiring. This is the voltage regulator for the charging system and all the wiring associated with it. That's probably the whole wiring kit for the whole car. Some more wiring. Everything's marked. And then I put it in here. Transmission, torque converter cover. All right. Zima. Who remembers that? Zima bottle. We'll save that for the shelf. I don't even make that no more. I want to mark some of it. We got the wiper blade arms. Those blades might still be good, huh? Put that in there. And that in there. Okay. Put this over here. Whew. I'm just going to get everything out. Some of this has to be marked and labeled. Starter. Heat shield for the starter. Dirty rags. Looks like something was living in there. Okay. Get this tire out of here. Come on. Original spare. Only worn on one side. Still good. Still got air in it too. All right. All right, I gotta climb back in there again. Oh, carefully. Factory tire iron, bumper jack. I think that's it for now. Yep. Yeah, this is all factory. We'll fix it. It goes in here like that. Yeah, this is an old style bumper jack. These don't even come in cars anymore. Now they come with a can of Fix-A-Flat and an air pump. Most cars now, anyway. All right, we got that cleaned out. Let's see what small stuff. All right, let's see what's going on this side now. We got that's a linkage, throttle linkage for the gas pedal. Oh no, that's for the transmission. Sorry. Driver's side sill plate trim. I'm just gonna get the small loose stuff out of here, and then we'll start ripping out the seats and stuff. Bunch of ratchet straps from the last time. Let's see what we got. Remnants of the left front impact. This is the front marker. They do make these where they come with an optional light in them. I may switch to the ones with the lights in them. Steering center link. More ratchet straps. That was the other marker. That was probably off the left side. Saved everything. I didn't throw it out. So. That's it for the little stuff on this side. All right, now we're on the passenger side. I'm going to bring the garbage can around and clean up the glove box. Alright, got the original owner's manual. Leave that on the dash. You can throw out the tissues, pencil. You can save the marker lights, BAB magnet. Oh, look, there's still some in there. Oh yeah. Put that off to the side. Throw that stuff out. Oh, I still got more stuff in here. Pencils. That's it. Close that. This toolbox is full of most of the hardware for the bumpers and stuff on the outside. Throw that. These are bumper brackets. Rear marker light for the license plate. Nothing under there. Let's see what we got back here. God. Alright, we got all the small loose stuff out of the front. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop filming, clean up this stuff, pack it, put it in storage, and then we'll continue from there. We got to pull the seats out and pull the rug up. I believe I'm going to pull the door panels off, possibly the side glass, but not the front and rears. All the trim on the outside. So keep following along. This is the first step, cleaning it out. Subscribe, make comments. I'm always looking for insight. Anybody needs any parts, I got a couple places, and we'll keep moving along.